Day after day, it observed the shifting sands. Then, one afternoon, an anomaly appeared. It was faint, but triggered an alarm. The anomaly, unusual thermal readings, came from the Tassili Niger. This region, known for its prehistoric cave paintings, intrigued archaeologists. Copernicus's data hinted at something profound beneath the sands. The reading suggested large, geometrically perfect structures. They were unlike anything found on Earth. Intrigued, the ISA team decided to investigate further. They redirected Copernicus for a detailed scan. High-resolution images revealed an ancient city. The city's vastness and complexity dwarfed any known site. Amongst the ruins were remnants of advanced weapons. The discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Archaeologists, historians, and physicists were baffled. The ruins, over 12,000 years old, predated known civilizations. The weapons were a source of immense mystery. Analysis revealed intricate machinery, crafted from unknown alloys. The news leaked, igniting speculation and debate. Theories ranged from plausible to bizarre. Were these the ruins of Atlantis, or evidence of an ancient alien civilization? The Sahara held secrets that could rewrite history. A team of leading experts was assembled, their mission to unlock the secrets of this enigmatic civilization. Operation Sandstorm was humanity's first step into the unknown. The journey to the site was fraught with challenges. The scorching heat, the endless dunes, and the ever-present threat of sandstorms tested the team's resolve. But the lure of the unknown, the chance to touch history, spurred them onward. After weeks of arduous travel, they finally reached their destination, a desolate plateau where the wind howled through the ruins of a forgotten city. The city, once a bustling metropolis, now lay in ruins, its once gleaming towers reduced to rubble by the relentless march of time. Yet, even in its ruined state, it was a sight to behold. The architecture was unlike anything they had ever seen. Massive structures of an unknown black metallic material, seemingly untouched by the passage of centuries. Intricate carvings adorned the walls, depicting scenes of a civilization far advanced than our own. But it was the weapons that truly captivated their attention. Scattered across the site, like grim reminders of a bygone era, were weapons of unimaginable power. There were massive energy cannons, capable of leveling entire cities, their barrels still glowing faintly with residual energy. There were personal shields shimmering with an otherworldly light and strange disc-shaped craft half buried in the sand. As the excavation progressed, each new discovery only deepened the mystery. The team unearthed vast underground chambers filled with advanced technology computers that dwarfed modern supercomputers, medical bays equipped with instruments of unimaginable precision, and transportation hubs hinting at a global civilization. It was as if this ancient civilization had possessed knowledge and technology centuries, if not millennia, ahead of its time. The world watched with bated breath as the team's findings were broadcast globally. The implications were staggering. If this civilization had existed, what had happened to it? Had it been wiped out by its own advanced technology or by some unknown catastrophe? And what did the discovery of such advanced weaponry mean for the future of humanity? The discovery sparked a new era of scientific and technological advancement. Governments poured funding into research, hoping to unlock the secrets of the ancient technology. The world held its breath, caught between the thrill of discovery and the fear of the unknown. Section 5. The excavation begins. The team, now joined by experts from around the globe, began the painstaking process of excavation. The work was slow and meticulous, every artifact carefully documented and analyzed. They unearthed homes, temples, and even a massive amphitheater, its stage still intact, as if waiting for a performance that would never come. The city, once a bustling hub of life, was slowly revealing its secrets. Among the most intriguing discoveries were the skeletal remains of the city's inhabitants. Their physiology was strikingly similar to that of modern humans, yet subtly different. Their skulls were slightly larger, their limbs more slender, and their bones were denser, suggesting a life lived under a different gravity. The team also discovered numerous inscriptions written in a language as yet undeciphered. These inscriptions, found on walls, tablets, and even etched into the weapons themselves, held the key to understanding this lost civilization. Linguists, cryptographers, and historians joined the effort, working tirelessly to decode the secrets of the ancient script. Section 6. Unraveling the Enigma. As weeks turned into months, the team began to piece together a picture of this enigmatic civilization. It was a civilization of immense technological prowess, but also one riven by conflict. The weapons, the fortifications, and the sheer scale of destruction all pointed to a civilization that had known war on a scale unimaginable to modern humans. One inscription, in particular, sent chills down their spines. It depicted a battle fought not with swords and spears, but with weapons of unimaginable power. Beams of energy tore through the sky, reducing entire cities to ash. Giant machines, piloted by beings clad in gleaming armor, clashed in a whirlwind of destruction. This, then, was the Sahara's secret, the remnants of a war fought with technology far surpassing our own. But who were these warriors, and what had they been fighting for, and what had ultimately led to their downfall? The answers, it seemed, lay buried even deeper in the heart of the ruins. Section 7. A glimpse into the abyss. Deep beneath the ruined city, the team discovered a chamber unlike any other. It was a vast spherical chamber, its walls shimmering with an otherworldly light. In the centre of the chamber stood a pedestal, and upon it rested a crystal pulsing with an eerie energy. As the team approached, the crystal emitted a blinding flash of light, and a holographic projection flickered to life. The projection depicted a being of pure energy, its form shifting and swirling like a miniature sun. It spoke in a language both beautiful and terrifying, its words echoing with power. Though they could not understand its language, the team felt the weight of its message. A warning, a plea, and a prophecy all rolled into one. The being spoke of a universe teeming with life, of civilizations that had risen and fallen, of the eternal struggle between order and chaos. It spoke of a great danger, a threat that loomed over all of existence. And it spoke of a chosen few, those who would rise to meet this threat, to defend the universe from the encroaching darkness. Section 8. The Weight of the Unknown. The discovery of the chamber and the message it contained sent shockwaves through the team. It was one thing to discover an ancient civilization, even one with advanced technology. It was quite another to find evidence of beings of pure energy, speaking of cosmic threats and universal destinies. It challenged everything they thought they knew about the universe and humanity's place in it. The discovery also raised profound questions about the future. If this ancient civilization, with its advanced technology, had fallen victim to some unknown cosmic threat, what hope did humanity have? Was the discovery of these ruins a blessing or a curse? As the team continued their work, a sense of urgency settled upon them. They knew that the secrets they had uncovered were not just ancient history, they were a warning, a call to action. The fate of humanity, they realized, might very well depend on their ability to understand the lessons of the past. Section 9. Legacy of the Silent Battlefield. The discovery of the Sahara's secret marked a turning point in human history. It was a stark reminder that we are not alone in the universe, and that our understanding of history, technology, and even reality itself is far from complete. The silent battlefield in the Sahara, frozen in time for millennia, offered a glimpse into a past both magnificent and terrifying. The excavation continues to this day, each new discovery adding another piece to the puzzle of this ancient civilization. The weapons, the technology, and the cryptic messages have all become the subject of intense study as humanity grapples with the implications of this profound discovery. The Sahara's secret, once buried beneath the sands of time, has become a beacon, guiding us towards an uncertain but perhaps extraordinary future. The question remains, will we heed the warnings of the past, or are we doomed to repeat the mistakes of those who came before us? The answer, as always, lies with us.